What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will show you the F64 Ultra box modification. As you see, this is the modification and exactly works 100% in all CPU models. As you see, you will select this signal booster. This is a special thing. If this is not correctly selected, the phone will not connect. So we will click on this and we will just adjust it by arrow down on the keyboard. You click on the arrow down. When it's compatible, it will detect the UFS like this. Now it's successfully connected, and this phone is S64 and this phone is S25 Ultra, and it's connected successfully. Now we can remove the FRP after we back up on the software of the box. It's loading now. We have to wait it until it's fully back up, and we just make it connect. This modification works 100%, I'm sure, and in all CPU it works. Now it's just backing up the framework of the important file. After that, we go to the partition tab. Now the backup process is finished, and we go to the partition tab and we click on FRP remove. After that, we just disconnect the phone and we have done our work. Thanks for watching. Keep in touch.